Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jim Grisanzio from Oracle Developer Marketing, and we're back tonight to talk more AI and ML in the enterprise. And I'm here with Jean-René Gauthier, and Jean is one of the speakers at the conference at the end of the month, which is Oracle Developer Live, and he goes by JR. JR, how you doing? Welcome to the program.
Hey Jim, happy to be here.
It's nice to meet you for the first time. Tell me about your session. You're going to do a couple of sessions, actually.
Yeah, I'm going to give a session on what's called the Accelerated Data Science, SDK. We call it ADS for short. And that's an Oracle proprietary library that we've developed over the years. And the purpose of that library is to cover sort of the end-to-end lifecycle of machine learning models, with a really cool toolkit to accelerate that lifecycle. And then in the other session, I'm actually giving a lab. And in that lab, I'm going to be talking about the Nvidia Rapids framework, which is a really cool framework to accelerate the workloads, the traditional machine learning workloads on GPUs. And you can get a really, really significant speed up on your task. Like I've seen 10 or up to 50 times faster. The same thing on GPUs. Wow. So really excited to show that.
So if I'm a developer, if I'm a data scientist, what can I actually do with these tools?
So with the ADS library, you can do a whole bunch of things. So you can connect to data, whether the data is on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or elsewhere, it doesn't matter. You can do a bunch of data profiling tasks very quickly. You can do data visualization, data transformation, data wrangling. You know, all these steps usually take most of the time in data scientist day. You know, it's 80% of your time is spent on doing data wrangling. You can train models, you can evaluate the models, explain them, and save them. So all of that can be done through ADS. And with Rapids, you can do data manipulation. You can train traditional machine learning models, like, for example, a random forest model. You can do all of that in GPUs and much, much faster.
Cool. Excellent. Okay. So Oracle Developer Live, end of the month, and 2 sessions from you. And you're a data scientist and also an astrophysicist, which is,
yeah.
That's just, too cool. I had to mention that. So Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.